Hello everyone, and welcome to another lecture where we will talk about Scrum Events. My name is Dejan, and on my channel I post short and reliable content to help you with Scrum, Agile and also other IT related topics. If this is your first time you've come to my channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you get notified every time I post one of these brand new videos to help you learn. Let's get started. But before we start, I want to introduce you to the term sprint. So please pause this video and read the brochure of Scrum terms. And you can find the download link in the description. Okay, welcome back. In this video you will learn what the sprint is and what are the three important facts about the sprint. Sprint in Scrum is repeatable fixed time box of 1 month or less during which a done, usable and potentially releasable product increment is created. Sprint lies at the core of Agile methodology because this is the event that wraps all other Scrum events like the daily Scrum, Scrum review and sprint retrospective, which we'll talking about in the upcoming days. Now let's see what are the important facts about the sprint. No changes are made that would endanger the sprint goal. Quality goals do not decrease, and scope may be clarified and renegotiated between the product owner and the developers as the team learns more on the specific topic. And that is all for today, and remember, I'm here for you. If you have any questions regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments. And if you want to have access to complete Agile and Scrum program for product owner and Scrum Master, please check the links in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next Agile and Scrum Masterclass video. Cheers!